Alright, these are the questions that are supposed to get your blood flowing and through your brain just a little bit. We're going to compare algebraic expressions, and they give us some context to this. It says, given algebraic expressions with two variables, we can compare whether one is greater or less than the other. Alright, we can denote inequality between the expressions using these greater than, that's less than or greater than. Alright, if they're the same, we can use equivalent expression by using equals. So, here we go. It says, suppose x and y are the given populations of two cities, and x is greater than y. Compare the expression. Alright, well, think about it. If x is greater than y, adding x to itself, that would be two x's, is more than adding x to y. Alright, so 2x is greater. Alright, putting the lesser population y together with the greater population x gives a population less than double the greater population. Alright, now let's talk about this one. Alright, x over y and y over x. So think about it. I'm just going to create an arbitrary number so you can think through it. Let's say x, these are tiny cities if I do this. This is not the population. We'll say 5 million, and y equals 3 million. Now I'm just going to use 5 and 3. So if I put x over y, I get 5/3, which is over 1. Right? If I put y over x, I get 3/5, which is less than 1. So x over y will be greater, right, than y, and I over, than 1, right? 5/3 is greater than 1. And y over x will be less than 1. So x over y is greater than y over x. Whenever you put a larger number on top, you get a number greater than 1. When you put a smaller number on top, you get a number smaller than 1. That's all it's saying. Alright, let's go down here. I'm going to do one of these. You do the other. Suppose x and y are the populations of two different cities. X is still greater than y, but y is greater than 0. So, this number here, right, let's do by arbitrary numbers. If x was 5 and x was 5 and that was 3, that would be 8. This is less than 1, right? So this one is the two sums on top, 8 over 5. So we would say x plus y over x is greater than 1, which is greater than x plus y. The larger number on top, not on bottom, gives you the larger value. You try this one right here, and we'll come back to it. Literally, that's the whole video, I believe. It sure is. We got just a little bit more to go.